safety.
There ain't a safety, Fred.
The safety is your finger off the trigger.
That bitch is loud.
Yes, sir. Get it one time, huh?
Pull it back. Just a little bit. Just pull it back just a little bit. Alright.
I was not fucking expecting that.
It's a 45.
Not that.
That ain't no 22, son.
Shit.
Put some toilet paper in your ear.
You got some Q-tips, nigga?
I can't hear shit now.
Go ahead.
Bad, huh?
Fred needs to shoot some more. He's still wanting to shoot it, I'm sure.
Want to shoot your pin?
Yeah.
10 millimeter?
Hey, John, bring the Mac.
Got a ported barrel on it.
Hold up, guys. Hold up. We're going to do this 3 at a time.
Did you one-handed shoot this bitch, Fred?
Yeah.
Okay, well then I can.
Was I supposed to?
What?
They asked me if
I'm going to stand right between y'all guys. Hurry up, John. Here, videotape this.
Oh, we about to put some work in on this tree. Why don't we come over some more then?
I wish I had a shotgun.
Here.
Make sure you get
You do, you just wish you had ammo.
Do I got one in the chamber?
Nope,
Alright, let's get ready.
I didn't breach it for you.
This motherfucker's clean.
Yeah.
Is that the same one?
Huh?
Is that the same one you brought out of town?
Yeah.
We about to
10
put
millimeter.
some work in, son.
Uh-huh.
Real motherfucking delicious.
Yeah. They don't like that.
Get her done.
They really don't like this ammo.
Still want him to.
Empty. Empty. Let's smoke a blunt.
This bitch is hard as fuck, dude. They don't like this ammo at all.
I know.
dog. Hey, didn't you lose a 45 shell?
I think so. Hell yeah.
I just picked that bitch up from right here. Thought it was one of mine. And I tried to put it in this bitch, and I was like, oh, that's...
Oh, that actually worked. I was expecting the cock, and it was good.
So are you.
How many more is in there?
It's still got one in it.
That's 25.
It's still good to go, dude.
I'm going to shoot that.
That's my mom. What did she say? She can hear us.
Yeah.
Waylon's like, is that y'all shooting? I'm going to holler at y'all because I can't hear a motherfucking thing. I'm going to be straight hollering and can't even help it.
John Wayne?
That thing is a motherfucking beast, dude.
I like the
Thank you.
sun glare
How much?
on the camera.
Huh? Thank you for letting me shoot it.
You hear her shooting?
What is it?
Bring the AK, Mom.
It's a 10.
10?
Holler and shit. Ain't got no ammo for it right now. I mean, I got
Nah,
some
gotta
but
bring the AK?
reloads and I want to shoot them off to make sure they're
Mom,
alright.
you know you want to come down and
Right, you
blast
don't want
the
none of
AK a
us
couple
to-
times.
I don't
Shit
want it
like
to blow up
that,
in your
right?
hand.
See you guns we got here. Pretty badass.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fucking them reloads.
Alright.
He shot some reloads.
I wasn't scared. I knew they would work.
They were low power.
Scared me.
I'm going to shoot that bitch one more day.
That bitch is a motherfucking beast.
The bitch is a beast, dude.
Clip in it.
I fell in
Make
love.
sure you hit the tree.
Alright. You want to hit it?
Dude, he shot all kinds of shit. I think that's done.
Push the
let me
slide
hold up with
forward.
that.
Push it forward. Just jam it.
Let go.
No, damn.
I'm gonna shoot.
Oh, it ain't. There you go. Go ahead, finish that shit off. That's all she wrote.
I hit the bottom button here, John Wayne. The red one says stop.
Fired up, ready to roll.
This button.